Hi, I'm Joel Daly. I'm the Director of Product Management with Christie. Today we're going to tell you about the Spyder-S platform. The Spyder-S is a distributed modular image processor platform. What we're showing at the show today is some new hardware and some new software. We're introducing a new frame, which is an SFP frame, which supports both HDMI 2.0 and SDI 12G as well. We're also introducing a DisplayPort 1.4 frame, which now rounds out the portfolio of HDMI 2.0, 12G. Now we have the SFP flexibility as well as the DisplayPort. We're also introducing some new software features, which you can see over here. Some new configuration management capabilities to give you more flexibility to actually set up your show based on the canvas and make it a little bit more easy for the configurations. We'd be excited for you to come down to the show and take a look at the new hardware and the new software capabilities. And if you want to take a look at it on the web, it's www.christienetworks.com, christiedigital.com.